Setting up the Goodbudget app involves a few straightforward steps to help you manage your finances effectively using the envelope budgeting method. Here's how to get started. Download the app. Install the Goodbudget app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account. Open the app and sign up using your email address. Create a password and verify your email to complete the registration process. Set up your envelopes. Tap on envelopes and create categories for your expenses, such as groceries, rent, utilities, entertainment, and savings. Customize these envelopes to reflect your personal spending habits and financial goals. Enter your income. Tap on income to add your income sources. This could include your salary, freelance income, or other sources. Distribute your income into the envelopes you've created, ensuring each dollar is allocated to a specific purpose. Record transactions. Each time you make a purchase or pay a bill, enter the transaction in the app. Select the appropriate envelope for the transaction to track your spending accurately. Monitor your budget. Regularly review your envelopes to see how much money you have left in each category. Adjust your spending as needed to stay within your budget. Sync with others. If you're budgeting with a partner, use the sync feature to share and update budgets in real time. This ensures that all transactions are recorded and budgets are aligned.